Yo, Lion, what go on, man?
You're a bad bargain, man. Bad bargain.
Yeah, yo, look, no, man, I true me that deal with something for my mother still, you know.
Me tell you, it's a serious thing we have to deal with today, man.
So,
serious thing.
What we deal with today?
The quiz sitting thing, man, between my little nephew, Zebulon, man, and Mr. Ferguson's son, man.
Yeah, what go on with that?
Man.
What go on with this?
From where they boast pan lion card and things, a lion have nobody in our family with brains, you know. Everybody about the place are boast. One thing with me now, me not talk bad about people pick them, man. All of them are go at them school and I get their education in their head, man. But some people feel like for them pick me brighter than the rest of people. So I want like a quiz thing we want to start keeping our community, you know.
Yeah.
Amongst the youth and youth to see which one brighter than one, man.
So you say you're a little nephew bright?
A brains box that, man. Intelligent, them boy the intelligent bad,
you mean
man.
intelligent? The word is intelligent.
Bad, me I tell you, man.
You say smarter than you?
But me I tell you some, man. More time, me not like car company with me when me I go cause me tell Rakasaka, you know. Serious business we are dealing with if my work and then see nobody bungle up with nobody in our middle. Just walk on the other side. Me and him a walk, me say Raka, come make we go up on the other side. Rakasaka hand up in our middle at the sitting. Have people that try him vehicle we see him here, you know. But that time, you know, that man has the first me ever hear Smarty sound good, so you know. That one here, out of everybody will lie and hear, you know. That one here kind of have made that way.
What you talk about?
The said politics people, that me not even want to talk loud, man. I like a rabbit bush, man. Tap and a pick and make me want reach up back, man.
Yeah.
But I tell you, this one here sound at the positivest. One me ever hear, man. Him positiver than the rest of them.
You mean most positive?
Right?
Most positive Lion.
I me tell Rakasaka, nobody make them hint vehicle, yo. But anyway, and say where I say, true then say Lion fresh, you know. Then say if you don't have nothing good for say, no say nothing. So Lion never say nothing. Lion just stand up and listen. You hear the alarm I go off whole night last night, you know. One boy out the road by one car and through the thief them about the place. Me say even if me cough, the alarm go off. Even if you sneeze. Just because I thief him I try protect it. But back to the argument, man. The man sound good, but in the last part, that a women know say mess up himself, you know. Cause when it come down to the name now, remember all along he say at the orange party he represent, you know. But now he tell me say name Mr. Green. Me say look like a can stick of interest. That's what they call it. Can stick of interest. Sitting like so.
You talk about conflict of interest.
Sitting like so, man. Can stick of interest. So, oh, you green. Your name green. And I can represent orange. So, me tap off. And me make sure me draw Rakasaka with me. You know, because at the quiz, me I deal with this week. Me not deal with them. So anyway, me little nephew him come, man. Because I get one drive and say I want to neighbor them. I got one funeral I want another district. So, you let him off out a square, the man. Because out there we are keep it with the man. Where the man, the retired principal, man, and him, I go quiz them.
Oh, Mr. Jones?
Yeah, man, Mr. Jones. Him I go quiz them now. I mean, I tell you, you know, hey, Mr. For me little nephew, give it to them, you know, boy. Give it to them out there. You should have there square there to see where go on, man. But when I tell they make lion get cross out there, you know. But me I go tell you where I go on, man. The alarm keep on a go off, man. I don't know, nobody I try to thief it, but even if you sneeze round the car, but back to the argument, man. My little nephew, you know, when he tap out, you know, when me look, you know, I know say a champion that now, you know. Nobody and our father now go buy no boot with ticky. Fin shoes have on ticky on it, you know. So you know say a bright picnic that kind of body we get ticky a bright. Even did not do good at school. I want wrong bang on the on film shoes. And at high school, him going a staircase, you have to walk and go a film class, you know.
You mean
high
a primary
school
school in the man and a Nike you talk about?
High
Nike
school that ticket up on film shoes. I don't know if I teacher put it there and people them buy it. But nobody now buy no Dunce picnic shoes with ticket on it. Right?
Yeah.
So I tell you now, man. But he look like the little boy. I don't know if I true when he young he used to there on a yard with me and the whole heap of dog them, you know. So when he come out of the car and I walk, I come up and say, Uncle, wait them, me have a call and make my dog them know say, me reach down alright, you know. So I make a phone call look like he tell him mother to give the dog them message, you know. Cause I look like out a town, they are smart dog. Cause when me and him step off by time, 3 minutes come. 4 minutes I come, him a walk, I come up, you know. And he say, we at the uncle. We at there. I want my dog this a call me, you know. So it look like
the man dog I call
I look like as a smart dog they have. I one of them breed a dog them.
No man, him a talk about him
right?
charge him brethren him a talk about
when I
dog.
meet me and go up on the phone and talk, look like I'm favorite dog that him call him Georgie, sitting like
Charge man, charge.
So I one of them breed a dog. Cause for me dog
brethren.
For me dog them over here do him come out and shop. They would him call, well they don't have no phone and lion have no phone. But they would him come out and shop come check up on me and feed dog them a call. Me have to go ask him to get one of them puppy there for me. Right? But anyway, man, me say, you see when we reach out there, I buy my backlight rated water, you know. Buy my backlight rated water, man.
You talk about soda?
Man. Mr. Jones, him ready for them, you know, about him a quiz master, you know. You remember one? Sit where he used to there on JBC long time with a man named Dennis Hall. I saw him I go quiz them now, you know. I'm serious upon look and him says Zebulon and the other Ezekiah. You guys ready to be tested? Yeah man. Zebulon firm up himself, you know. Ezekiah him dead right toe to toe with him, you know. First question now. Sir Jones look on him and said, could you write $500 for me please on a piece of cardboard? Is it true me left out and I make sure I walk with it for sure, you know, man. See it, man. Me get all, the mother send all two gizzards, see it, one for me, one for, well, more than this, but at this left, because I show up some out of shop there. One pack of tea biscuit, but this is where Ezekiah right. $500, right? And so me get for no say, Zebulon smart, you know. Don't take him easy. Don't take him light. You see when him draw free mark upon it, I diss him right, you know. $500.
No lion, him get the thing wrong.
Him must right.
Him get the thing wrong.
So,
the dollar sign for them before the 500.
Me know say him right.
Boy, lion,
right?
your family is still in, man.
Me know say him right panda one day. So, here the man him now, Mr. Jones. Him not say who right panda one day yet, you know. Him not say who right. So, but me know say Zebulon gonna lead, man. Can't stop him. Look back on him now. Could you name me 5 members of the cat family? Or 4? Yeah, he use one word. Minimal 4 member of the cat family. Something like so. Right? The other one named 4. I saw him looking up. Think him a brains box that, you know. I say, you know what? Fancy cat, silver cat, junior cat, and last of all, super cat. Me know them cat there. And them that they are Jamaica, so me know say, him right.
Lion, and that them a talk about.
Me know say him right.
A feline cat them a talk about. Him a make a fool of himself out
him
there,
come
man.
again, so he know say him get the cat one right, you know. A dog him ask him about. Oh, guys, could you name 3 of the most famous dogs in the world?
What am I saying for that?
Ezekiah him answer first, man. Zebulon him go last, you know. Brains box, man. Lion stock that I come from, man. Just look on him. And him say, Pitbull, Snoop Dogg, and Hot Dog. Gonna lead again, man. Gonna lead again.
A people that a dog you might ask about.
And him breed round here. Gonna lead again, man. Then think they can quiz out my nephew. Eh? Then think they is a next generation of lion that, man.
Definitely is another generation, yeah?
Then think we easy.
No easy.
You should have dead if we whole we are going, man. Next question now. Take a sip of rated water, you know. Saggle up for them again, man. Champion stocker come in and now. Come in and now. Oh. Spell the word knife. Think him a think now, you know. Him say, him a go first. Him a go first this time. So here's Zebulon now. Nephew. Ezekiah him start laugh. And Mr. Jones, oh, that's wrong. So, then I said, then if him wrong, cause lion never can wrong. Him not get shoes with ticket. You can't get shoes with ticket just so. Can't wrong. So here, Mr. Jones, him now. Now it's spelled with a K. So here my little nephew him not. But sir, the K is silent. So when I say the K, you never hear it. And I say, yes, boy, good comeback. Good comeback from Lion Style, boy. Yes, because guess what? If letter silent, how am I going to hear it? Me not even did hear when my nephew say K. And he can't hear it. If letter silent, you can't hear it. So I know it's right there, so. Right? We go down now. Next one. Next one now. Put up my umbrella, man. Next one. Him say, no, Jamaica is a dangerous place, so I'm not going to ask you to name any cities in Jamaica. Name one of the most dangerous cities in the world. Mind if you have that easy.
Say Baghdad,
have that lock already, man. Lock already, man.
Please tell me if it's something smart for that one there.
Smart? I smartest this boy that man make me here, man. Mind if you just look on him, you know. Electricity.
What?
A dangerous city. If that ever shock you, you see,
but
boy.
lion, that's electricity.
If that ever shock you, you're dead.
A power that lion, not a
Electricity
city.
a dangerous city. Zebulon right. Zebulon can't wrong with that. Lion back him pan that. Me beat all for me stomach. Me back him pan that. Electricity, a dangerous city that.
Boy,
if that
lion.
city they ever shock you, you're dead, boy.
Boy, lion.
You know, but you know how we get lion bringle now?
What?
You know how we get lion bringle?
How?
We make me have a dry man tip half left out there with him.
What?
Man can look for my nephew, bright boy, when me tell you, say, film class and a downstairs class. Upstairs a high school him go. Dunce people no take staircase go for them class. Right? Look for my nephew. Could you spell the word mosquito? Me say tap. Don't say another word, but if you say another word, me and you have it out there. Tap. Don't say another word. Look on a little thing like a mosquito, littler than even a rice grain. And you got embarrassed lion nephew to spell that. Eh? Look on a big thing like a cow. When I can never ask him to spell cow. Eh? When I can never ask him to spell jet. I can't ask him to spell mosquito.
But mosquito is a more complicated word to spell.
Ask Ezekiah to spell that little something there. Better you ask him to spell cow or jet. Look on how big a jet is. And you got to ask Zebulon to spell mosquito. I tell him, don't say it, as a matter of fact, get up. Because embarrass them, I try embarrass lion about you, you know. Embarrass them, I try him.
So what you do? What you do after that?
Me take him, and me walk him, go back. Me did have few and a planting, some cocoa and sitting where me dig for give mother. Me carry him back out of square if you go meet the drive. We are going to carry him back. Don't say another word. Don't say another word. I embarrass her. Shame them want shame lion breed about you, man. Shame them want shame lion breed.
Boy, lion. You have to go easy still, you know, but you hear me I say
if
lion.
you're the doubt there, a man look on you and say, spell mosquito. Look on how liquor that is. Much time you can't even see them, you don't hear them.
Spell mosquito.
I embarrass you, I try embarrass me too. Where make you couldn't ask me to spell cow? Look on a big thing like a cow. Look how big a jet is. Why
it's not the size of the object, is how the world is like spelled.
Me not saying a word, and him not say a word neither, right? Him not say another word because them get me bringle out there. Ask him to spell something bigger than mosquito, then he can talk again.
Yeah.
Anytime them ready to make him spell something big like a jet or a cow, lion will bring him back around here. Other than that, then can keep them quiz.
All right, lion, do your thing.
Zebulon a dunce. A dunce picnic in class did that downstairs. You could have asked him to spell mosquito. Not upstairs picnic.
Yeah.
The thing picnic wear shoes. How much pair of shoes in tell me say you have with ticket on it? Nobody a get picnic with ticket. Dunce picnic. Shoes with ticket. Why? Clear out here, man.
All right, lion.
Jones him supposed to vex, you know. Because lion respect him, you know, and he respect me, you know. But he must understand what gay Hezekiah the harder word for spell. Right? Not give him a Nephew the harder one. Yeah. Him can handle it. Give Hezekiah something else.
Alright, Lion. Do your thing, yeah. I go up the road, yeah,
Look
man.
how.
I can't go you no more. I should
Listen, man. Because me we eat all the two of them, yeah. You, so one gizzard, yeah.
Alright, I still take it.
Alright. Me a go up a yard because you know me, after all them the energy I me using, like I need, me have to go steam sitting and drink sitting. But anytime you hear about no quiz business, me not care about none of my generation out there. Me no want nobody try embarrass you. I ask you to spell big things. Not them little things there.
Yeah.
Not them little
Alright,
things there,
Lion.
brother.
You know,
You want a couple more bush for jazz?
boy, a lion generation, they make the song Dunce for still.